Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create AI style tech logo using futuristic custom shapes. Today we are designing an AI style futuristic logo using custom shapes. Start with polygon or sharp edged shapes. Arrange them in a forward motion composition. Use angle lines to represent speed and technology. Then intersect shapes to build a diagonal framework feel. Apply new ingredient or electric blues. Add inner glow effect for sci-fi depth. Use grid alignment for technical precision. Now insert minimalist typography with a tech font.